How did Gondwana's breakup scar polar landscapes? Imagine a giant puzzle slowly breaking apart over millions of years, reshaping the Earth's surface and climate. That's what happened when the supercontinent Gondwana split up. This process left lasting marks on the polar regions, especially Antarctica and surrounding lands. About 180 million years ago, during the Jurassic Period, Gondwana started to break into smaller pieces. The western part included Africa and South America, while the eastern part had Madagascar, India, Australia, and Antarctica. This separation was not quick. It took over 100 million years, with continents drifting apart gradually. As they moved, volcanic activity played a big role. Lava erupted from fissures, creating layers of basalt rock that still mark the landscape today. These volcanic flows formed huge geological features and released heat into the environment. Radiometric dating shows that these volcanic rocks are around 180 million years old, matching the timing of the continents drifting apart. When Antarctica finally separated from other landmasses, it became completely isolated. This isolation allowed a powerful ocean current to form around it, called the circumpolar current. This current changed how heat and nutrients moved through the oceans, making Antarctica colder and more isolated. The continent's structure also bears the scars of this breakup. East Antarctica is mainly made of ancient rocks that are over 3 billion years old. Around its edges, volcanic rocks formed during the breakup, creating mountain ranges like the Transantarctic Mountains. These mountains contain fossils from when Antarctica had a warmer climate before it drifted to its current icy state. The breakup also changed the atmosphere. The long mountain range called the Gondwana once blocked winds and weather patterns, but breaking apart removed this barrier. As a result, weather patterns shifted and the climate became colder. The opening of new seaways and the destruction of old land bridges also affected animal and plant life. Many species had to adapt or migrate as the land masses moved apart and climates changed. The evidence of Gondwana's breakup is still visible today. Rock formations, seafloor spreading patterns, and the shape of continental margins tell the story. The Antarctic Peninsula, for example, started as a volcanic arc from subduction zones during the breakup. The mountains and rocks in Antarctica show the history of this giant split. All these changes from millions of years ago created the polar landscapes we see today. The icy, isolated continent of Antarctica is a direct result of this ancient breakup. The scars left by volcanic activity, mountain ranges, and shifting continents are like a map of Earth's dynamic history. The way the continents moved and separated shaped the climate and geography of the polar regions, turning them into the frozen lands we know now.